Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can directly download pictures from Pinterest or save them into your gallery. It's going to be a simple tutorial. Hope you guys can follow through, and yeah, this is how you can do it. So let's say you're on Pinterest and you have a picture that you want to download or save into your gallery. You to use it on an offline basis. Now let's say there is this picture of this lions. Now if you long press on the image, you get all these various options like visual search, WhatsApp, and also send. Now these are the options wherein you can share this image using Pinterest's link, but directly natively downloading the image is not possible by doing that. Now if you want to download the image, just tap on the top right corner on the three dots. Once you tap on that, you can clearly see an option which says download image. Just tap on that, and that's it. The image will now get downloaded into your gallery. As you can see, it is asking for me to allow access into my photos. Just give it access, and that's it. The image is now downloaded. I can show it to you in my gallery as well. It is right there, and yeah, it has been downloaded. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.